Christopher David Lawson of NEPA.
Oh, hello everybody. I was just filling up the Fairlane with some fluid, getting ready to do its first time starting it since June of 2018. This is September of 2019. I haven't had this car running since then, just a little over a year. Let's see. I've been out here most of the day. It's middle of August still. I'm still working on the Fairlane. I started doing some engine block cleanup, more or less taking some of the old paint off. Somebody had painted it years ago. Original color of this engine from the factory actually should have been gold, but I'm kind of cleaning it up today, and I'm painting it red again. I got some good engine paint for it. You know, I'm painting it while it's still in the car, so it's not going to be perfect, but kind of. So far, if water pump was actually painted halfway decent, so it'll be a touch-up job, but you can see I've cleaned most of the front of the block up here a little bit. I was going to try and polish those valve covers, but they started coming out pretty good, but then I got certain spots that really pitted, so even if I cleaned them up, they'd still kind of look like crap. So, but I actually got down in here and started cleaning up some of this mess too. Motor mounts are shot. They're going to get replaced here pretty soon. They're bad. I mean, when this car was running, you kind of like would start it up and put it in gear, and the whole freaking car, you'd feel the engine and transmission move forward. But kind of been working on this most of the day, cleaning up a lot of this stuff as I go along. I just pulled the distributor top off, but I'm like, this shit, come on. Whoever had it before, they just spliced a piece of rotten wire in there. Jesus, all you had to do was buy a freaking $5 harness right here for the stupid lead to the distributor, you know? Quite a bit the last couple weeks. It's middle of September now. Trying to get some stuff wrapped up here before it goes to the shop, but I'm working on painting the manifolds right now. It'll be flat black once it actually dries. I got to put another coat on later on. It's kind of a crappy day out, but this is what I'm at so far. I got new plug wires I'll put on and plugs too. That's why I'm just leaving the spark plugs in for now so I don't get paint down inside the engine and stuff. All right, we're getting ready to start the Fairlane for the first time. Let's see what she does. Couple pumps of gas. The thing looks like brand new. It's beautiful. The new paint job, all new hoses, new radiator. You know, I'm gonna have to check my fluids, but I think I have an exhaust manifold leak. Like I said, I think that's the next step somewhere down the line on the motor, but it seems like it's idling pretty good for a car that's been sitting for well over a year without running and basically no radiator fluid or nothing in it. But I mean, I replaced almost everything on it at this point. Regulator, and say the carb was one of the first things I replaced after I got it a couple years ago. New valve covers. I don't see any leaks on it, thank God. First time I've ever changed valve covers and stuff on it. Yeah, I was just checking the transmission fluid too. It seems like there's not enough fluid in there. When they took the radiator off to do the front end last year, I know they had to disconnect the tranny cooler line, so I'm not going to be able to put it in gear today and move it around a little bit like I was hoping to. I just have to pick up some transmission fluid and fill it up. But thanks for stopping by, and we'll see what goes on from this point on.